In this video, let's talk about how to use Google AI Studio for education. Whether you're a student, teacher, or a self-learner, this tool can be a powerful study helper. Firstly, head over to Google AI Studio. Once you do, make sure you land on the chat platform. Now, once you're inside of this chat section, make sure you choose a model. You can pick from various models that are currently available. If you want quick answers, you can pick the Flash model, and if you want detailed answers, you can pick the Pro model. Once you have selected your model, what you can do is add in a prompt. I've added in this sample prompt. You can also make sure to add in a similar prompt, which is details and exactly tells what you're trying to get or the types of results that you're trying to get from this exact prompt. Once you add in your prompt, you can hit run and you'll get a clear and well-structured explanation. Apart from this, you can also use it for your homework help or lesson planning. Google AI Studios also can help teachers create study materials, explanations, summaries, and quizzes as well. This makes learning faster and more interactive as you go on. So that was a tutorial video about the way that you use Google AI Studio for education. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos relating to this. That's all for this one. I'm gonna see you in the next video.